we present to you QCue, computer-facilitated mind mapping using cues and queries. Mind maps allow for quick visual externalization of one's mental model around a central idea or problem. In doing so, they also help understand the relationships between different aspects of the problem through a tree-like network of nodes. However, it is often difficult for novices to maintain a balance between the breadth and the depth of ideas around the problem. Our idea behind QCue is a cognitive support mechanism that stimulates users to explore breadth, i.e. different aspects of a problem by providing automatic cues, and depth, i.e. fine-grained exploration of each aspect. For this, we designed 3 different modes for users to add new ideas to their mind maps. The first one is direct user input. In this mode, the user simply adds an idea or a concept to an existing node in the map. The second one is input based on suggestions. Users can query for suggestions in relation to a given concept or node in the mind map. Here, we use ConceptNet to provide suggestions with the node's content as the query. Finally, the third mode is input based on response to the cue node. In this mode, our algorithm provides automatic cues to the users in the form of a question. Simply responding to the cue results in the addition of a new idea to the mind map. Users may also ignore or delete a given cue. This allows them to take control of the exploration process. Our algorithm for generating automatic cues and providing suggestions to user queries is powered by ConceptNet. For providing suggestions, we use ConceptNet's weighted edges to create a diverse variety of suggestions. Our idea for cue generation is to stimulate the user to think about different aspects of the node's content. For this, we find that the relationship types in ConceptNet provide an excellent method for generating such cues. The main challenge in cue generation is to determine when and where to provide the cue. The idea is to generate cues at nodes that have either missed the user's attention for a long time or have been less explored in comparison to other ideas at similar hierarchy in the mind map. For this, we implemented a method that uses 2 types of penalties based on the time elapsed since a given node was explored and the lineage or the depth of the node with respect to the central idea. The goal is to encourage users to diversify on a given topic and explore the ideas that have not been visited for a long time. Once a node is determined, we use ConceptNet relationship types and generate a cue based on the relationship with the highest possible weight. Please refer to the paper for more details. We conducted a user evaluation to compare QCue with a traditional mind mapping scenario. For this, we chose pollution and underwater camping as the central topics. Overall, QCue performed better than traditional mind mapping, specifically in terms of structure, exploratory aspects of the maps, and the variety and quantity of ideas generated. We observed several interesting exploratory behaviors while using QCue. For instance, we found that oftentimes, cues help the user to develop a new aspect of the central idea because it stimulates a different line of thought. Sometimes, users simply have the cue as a guide to their thought process. Here you can notice the user was inspired by the question, added some ideas, and kept the cue nodes that can potentially be helpful later. Queries were often used by the users to explore a specific aspect of the central idea in depth. Queries also help the user to discover new aspects of the central topic in the later stages of mind mapping, where the users usually get exhausted in traditional mind mapping. Thank you.